Hey everyone, this is Alex from Hale Devices doing a sound quality demo of the Dreamer. Sound quality is obviously very important anytime you buy a speaker, so we thought we should try and give you some idea of what it sounds like. We're going to be doing a side-by-side comparison to the Jawbone Jambox. It's a well-known speaker which should help you compare if you've listened to it before. It retails for about twice as much as the Dreamer. To do the test, I'm going to play back the same clip on both at the same volume as measured by the microphone. I'm going to use the line-in connection on the Jambox to make sure we don't lose any quality with lossy compression on the Bluetooth signal. I'm using a Behringer ECM 8000 measurement microphone. These mics are mostly useful when you want to record something without altering the sound in any way. They have a flat frequency response, which in theory means they won't over or underemphasize anything about either speaker. We have a 75-second clip that features classical, hip-hop, jazz, metal, rock, and house music. Hopefully there's enough variety to get a good idea of what these speakers can do. To make it a true test, I'm not going to show you which speaker is playing until the end. I'll also post the raw video at the end to prove that we haven't messed with the results. The audio you hear is the raw recording, unaltered, and I'll post the actual WAV file in case you're interested in that. Now, before we start, make sure that you've set the video quality to the maximum and you're using your best headphones. This is only an indirect test of audio quality and there's no substitute for hearing it in person, but it's a fair test as far as that goes. All right, let's start. The Hale Dreamer was speaker number 1, and the Jambox was speaker number 2. Good stuff. Thanks for listening, and please let us know what you think. Hi there, this is Alex from Hale Devices. I'm here in this very glamorous conference room at 1871. We are doing a sound test of the Hale Dreamer versus the Jawbone Jambox. So what I'm about to do is get the recording levels set up with a test tone at 1 kilohertz. We're going to make sure they both are recording at the same volume because louder is better. So at the same loudness, it should be a level playing field, more or less. I'm about to play this test tone and set the recording level, and we'll go from there. Bear with me for a sec. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing with the Jambox. One moment, please. Just to the side. And, okay. Set it up in the same spot. Right in the center. Okay, very good. We will again begin with the test tone. The test tone. Got our recording levels all good. That is just about perfect. Okay, enough of that. Oops. That's gonna. Okay, and this is the Jambox. Alright, well that's it for this time. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, please let us know what you think and appreciate the time. Thank you.